course. But I'm just saying, I really enjoy what I do
Di lang
as
yun
an
nilala.
actress.
Pero,
Pero I really don't see myself as a beauty queen.
Why?
Well, it's not my passion. You can't force something. Kasi, and, I don't know, I'm not the type kasi that likes to, I don't know, I can't explain it. Pero, no, not naman no. Maybe if, I don't know, things change, people change.
Ikaw ba? Enrique, ever mag-Miss Universe siya, would you be
Yes.
so? Ever, let's say,
Oo naman. Ako na lang mag-host para di magkamali sa ano, no?
Pag-announce.
Gusto mag-announce. So, o kahit mali eh. Kamali ko na lang yung parang nanalo na siya. Pero,
So, sabi, matatalo ako.
ano, ito eh.
mag-hosting kayo sa Limigan Dog, right?
Yes.
Oh,
Sunday.
yes. I think this Sunday. So, naisingit pa namin yun. Bago lumipad sa Italy.
Yeah, sobrang saya po namin.
Like yung sinasabi ni Tito Oji sa pic niya, parang yung endorse and presidential ball.
Yes, kasi may nag-edit po ng picture ko with one of the presidentials. And wala po talaga akong ini-endorse, pero gusto ko yung nasa picture ko. Hindi, wala po talaga akong ini-endorse. But I have someone in mind that I want. Secret. Ilagay niyo sa mga article niyo eh.
Actually, dapat may mag-ano sa amin sa Timar.
may kumukuha sa inyo.
Timar.
Okay.
Dapat ang narinig namin ng dati sa negotiations. Pero hindi ko nag-wala.
Pero ikaw ba gusto mo mag-endorse? Are you open to endorse?
I don't think it's a
Not
safe
really,
thing
yeah. I
to
don't
do.
think it's a good thing. I think. They're very delicate to I mean, it's
very sensitive
very sensitive topic. Everybody has their own opinion. Some people, prefer this. Some people prefer that. So kahit sino piliin mo natin may conflict. So parang nang umiwas sa ganun. Okay,
Correct.
yeah. So.